leader of the Wasteland Warriors.
Before the Great Burn of 2047, he was a fierce underground street racer who was famous for his highly modified bike, Ninja H2R. He is Rage. During the nuclear storm, he took shelter with his bike in a first nuclear bunker. Radiation and extreme climate changed in his life. His body and mind both got tough and brutal. With a heavy growl that shakes the wasteland and a bike that fears nothing. He leads his team through fire, robots, radiation, and endless chases safely. Survival is his law, speed is his weapon, and fury is his fuel. That's how he does it in the Wasteland. Follow our page for the most awaited race of the millennium, the craziest space race between the intergalactic species. Like, follow, and share for new videos.